Start by unfolding the frame. Lift the handlebar up until the frame opens fully and you hear it click into place. Line up each back wheel with the axle, then push until you hear and feel a click. Insert each front wheel into the front sockets until you hear a click. Wrap the front Velcro strap around the front crossbar and press it closed. Loop the straps with snaps around the underneath bar on both sides and fasten them so the basket hangs evenly. Attach the side Velcro straps to the frame and smooth the fabric so the basket is supported all the way around. Clip the side basket onto the frame mounts and press down to check it's stable. Place the bassinet fabric inside the frame and pull it evenly around all the edges so it lies flat. Wrap all fabric straps around the frame tubes to hold it tight. Lay the support board flat on the bottom. Secure the support pieces in place so the sides of the bassinet stay standing and do not sag. Place the mattress flat inside the bassinet, and zip the apron around the top edge and press it smooth. Click the carry handle into both mounts until it locks on each side. Slide the canopy wires into the fabric sleeves until the ends reach the openings. Add the canopy clamps to the wire ends. Make sure the hole for the recline lever is facing down and the canopy clips also face down. Loop the canopy cord through the hook on each canopy clip. Click the canopy onto the side mounts of the bassinet frame. And finally, open the canopy and tuck the back fabric neatly behind the recline lever so it sits flat. Line up both adapters on the bassinet with the frame mounts and push down until both sides click. If you need more room, raise the handlebar first so you have extra space to lower the bassinet into place. Wrap the seat fabric over the top of the frame and pull the back edge so it sits smooth and snug. Fasten the lower straps around the frame and close the buckle underneath until it clicks. Click the carry handle into both mounts and lay the harness straps flat so they are not twisted. Slide the canopy wires into the sleeves and attach the clamps to the wire ends. Loop the canopy cord through the hook on each canopy clip to keep the fabric snug. Click the canopy onto the seat frame mounts. Open the canopy and tuck the back fabric so it sits flat. If the bassinet is attached, remove it first. Then line up the seat adapters with the frame mounts and push down until both sides click.